2007 Honda Accord. We're doing the front and rear wheel bearings. This video is going to be covering the rear. Let's get to it. Now the rear wheel bearings on these vehicles are pretty straightforward. They're not complicated at all. 19 millimeters for the lug nuts. Brake dust built up in this one. Yuck. Got the drum off. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this center cap right here. What I usually like to do is I'll just find that lip right where the center cap meets the hub. I'll angle my breaker bar, I'm sorry, not breaker bar, my pry bar like this, and just give it a couple taps with a hammer. .32 millimeter. Oops. And here's your old hub. Sometimes if they're really bad, you see how that's popping out, this rear inner race will actually stay on there. Yuck. And you'll have to use a screwdriver or a pry bar or something to just kind of work it off of the shaft right here. Hit this with some brake clean. If you're gonna do your rear brake shoes and hardware and all that, this would be a good time to do it, but we're not gonna do that. She's got plenty of pad left on her shoes. Alright, installing the new wheel bearing. Slides right on into place. Grab your retaining nut, spin it on down. Just put it down tight. And then you come back with your breaker bar. Oh wow, Josh, you own a breaker bar? I've never seen you use one of those in your videos. Yeah, I know. So if I'm using a breaker bar in one of my videos, you know that it's very important that these are Torque 2 spec. That spec is 134 foot-pounds. Just gonna go ahead and there you go. Go ahead and punch that notch back in, so that way the nut cannot unscrew itself. Drum back on. Put your center cap back in with just some light taps. And then just double check that it is flush around the side so that we keep dirt and dust off of that spindle nut. And put your wheel back on. That's pretty much it. That's all there is to it. Rear wheel bearings on a 2007 Honda Accord. If this video helped you out, leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you next time.